Hi students, good morning to one and all. In our yesterday class, we are discussing about atomic radius in different structures. Particularly atomic radius. What is atomic radius? Exactly half of the distance of nearest neighboring distance is called as atomic radius. This atomic radius is calculated in different structures where completed in one structure, that is called as simple cubic structure. In simple cubic structure, atomic radius is lattice constant A is equal to 2r. From this equation, atomic radius R is equal to half of the lattice constant of the structure. This is the atomic radius in terms of simple cubic structure. In simple cubic structure, what are completed? Particularly in simple cubic structure, number of lattice points, otherwise atoms per unit cell. Or how many are there? In simple cubic structure, there are totally 1, and body centered cubic structure has 2 lattice points or atoms are existed. Face centered cubic structure has totally how many? 4 are there. 4 are there. This is completed. After completion of this lattice point per unit cell, we are calculating the atomic radius in different structures. So, simple cubic structure is completed. After completion of simple cubic structure, we are going to the next topic, that is called as atomic radius. Atomic radius of the face centered cubic structure. Atomic radius of the face centered cubic structure. So first of all, you can draw the face centered cubic structure. So face centered cubic structure, first of all, a simple cubic structure. So you can draw the visible cubic structure. The visible cubic structure consisting of only 3 faces are existing, that is front face, top face and right side face. So, according to this structure, you can draw the face-centered cubic structure. Face-centered cubic structure is nothing but every center of the face is occupied by one atom, and each and every corners are occupied by one of the lattice point or atoms. At every corner, the atoms portion is occupied by 1/8 portion. Due to remaining 7/8 portion is occupied with remaining neighboring 7 unit cell. So here corner is occupied only 1/8 portion. So I am taking first of all exactly center of the face is occupied by one atom, and every corner is occupied by 1/8 portion of 1/8 portion of atoms, like this. In a similar way, in this phase, these are the atoms are occupied in the face-centered cubic structure. We are showing the atoms are shaded region like this. So I am shaded exactly corner atoms. So what is the face centered atom? This is face centered atom. This is also face-centered atom. This is also face-centered atom. What do you know? From corner of the lattice point to corner, this distance is A, and from this corner to this corner, distance also A. From this corner to this corner, distance is A. That is called as your lattice constant. So what you want? You are find out in the atomic radius of the face-centered cubic structure atom. So you can cover the face-centered cubic atoms with their lattice points. You can take from this corner to this corner. Nothing but you can take one face. This is one face. Every center of the face is occupied by one complete atom. At their corners are occupied by 1/8 portion. So you can take corner atoms and center of the face atom. You can take, suppose this is the one central face atom, one corner atom. This is also one corner atom. This is complete. So you complete, take from corner to corner. This distance you require. Why you are taking these corners? In this corner you are taking center of the atom and corner of the atom. So here they have how many? You can take like as a straight line. In the first straight line they have only 1/8 portion and middle complete face centered, and at the end 1/8 portion. With respect to radius, this radius is smaller. You can take the center of the face centered, radius r, radius r, radius r. So you are taking the points A, B, C, D. This point can be taken as E. So I am taking the points from A to E. So A to E distance is R plus R plus R plus R, nothing but 4R. So according to radius, the distance between corner to corner, especially in this face, diagonal corners is AE distance is equal to 4R. In a similar way, you can calculate small a value with respect to AE. So with respect to AE, this point can be taken as B. A to B distance is lattice constant. B to E distance is lattice constant. What you require? The diagonal. So you can take as a like this. A, B, E. This is right angle. Distance is A. This distance is A. What you require? This diagonal distance. So according to Pythagoras theorem, this distance AE is equal to square root of A square plus A square. Nothing but root 2A square. Nothing but root 2A. So according to our diagram, AE in terms of radius is 4R. AE in terms of lattice constant is 2R. From these two equations, you can equate them. 4R value exactly equal to root 2 times of A. Then atomic radius R is equal to root 2A by 4. So this root 2 in 4 cancelled by 2 root 2 times. So atomic radius R is equal to, in face centered cubic structure, R is equal to A by 2 root 2. A by 2 root 2. So in face centered cubic structure, atomic radius value in terms of lattice constant we are derived, that is called as R is equal to atomic lattice constant divided by 2 root 2. That is the relation among atomic radius and lattice constant. Atomic radius and lattice constant. So up to this, we are calculating atomic radius relation in terms of lattice constant. So for simple cubic structure, R is equal to A by 2. For face-centered cubic structure, R is equal to A by 2. In a similar fashion, we can derive the atomic radius of what the remaining structure? That remaining structure is body-centered cubic structure. So BCC. Remaining structure we are also calculating by using in this way, same fashion. But you are taking the distance, covered the entire body centered atom with their lattice corners. So first of all you can draw the body centered cubic structure. So body centered cubic structure is nothing but first of all a simple cubic structure. So I am drawing first a unit cell, complete unit cell. This is complete unit cell. So what is the body centered cubic structure? It is first of all a simple cubic. What is simple cubic? Every corner of the cube is occupied by one lattice point or one atom, and the entire center of the body is occupied by one atom. So center of the body is occupied by one atom is nothing but each and every corner touches by one atom. Suppose I am showing like this. Corner 1. So I am drawing the body centered, and every corner occupied by one lattice point, particularly per unit cell they occupied only 1/8 portion. So here 1/8, here 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 at corner, 1/8 portion. This is the structure. Actually that is the structure. This is also corner. 1/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so this is shaded region is particularly at a corner. So entire circle represents the body centered. So I am taking the lettering A, B, C, D. So from A to B, according to lattice parameters, A to B distance can be taken as lattice constant A. In a similar way, B to C is the lattice constant A, and C to D is lattice constant A. First of all, so you can cover the body centered atom from bottom end of the point to top end of the body. You can take anyone from bottom of the corner to top of the corner. So entire body is covered. Entire body is covered is nothing but you draw one line like this. So this line indicates entire body contact and corner atoms. So according to the AD, so this point can be taken as A, this point can be taken as D. Entire AD distance at A, what is there? Exactly 1/2 of the part, like this. Next, remaining body centered atom complete, remaining 1/8 portion. So this is radius R, this can be taken as center R, R, R. According to the radius, the distance AD can be taken as R plus R plus R plus R, nothing but 4R. So in terms of atomic radius, the body center of the atom covered with radius is AD value is equal to 4R. So in a similar way, you can calculating this AD distance in terms of lattice constant. So according to the diagram, you have like this. This is A, B, this is C, this is D. What you want? You are measuring the distance is AD. So first of all, AB distance is A, BC distance is A, CD distance is A. So first you can calculate AC, AB and BC. From this point of view, you can calculate AC distance. According to cubical structure, AB and BC are perpendicular to each other. This is a one right angle triangle. According to right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem can apply. This value is equal to root 2a. So AC and BD both are perpendicular to each other. Then AD distance according to Pythagoras theorem can be written as square root of 2a square plus this distance is a square. Nothing but root 3 times of a. So in terms of radius, AD value is 4r. In terms of lattice constant, AD value is root 3a. So from these two, you can write down 4r value is equal to root 3 times of a. Then atomic radius in body centered atom is root 3 times of a by 4. Root 3 times of a by 4. This is the relations among the lattice constant versus radius. That is the atomic radius of the body centered atom. In a similar way, next term is, what is the next term? Coordination number. Next term is coordination number. What is the coordination number? Already we are learned in past classes. What is coordination number? The atom covered with nearest neighboring atoms. The total number of nearest neighboring atoms can be called as coordination number. This coordination number particularly you want to calculate for simple cubic structure, face centered cubic structure and body centered cubic structure. For simple cubic structure, this value is coordination number is 6 and nothing but in simple cubic structure, every corner or any atom or lattice point is covered with surrounding their 6 atoms. So that neighboring atoms are 6. That number is called as coordination number. In face centered cubic structure, the coordination number is 12. In BCC structure, the coordination number is 8. Those values are very important values. So the coordination number for simple cubic structure is 6. Body centered cubic structure is 8. Face centered cubic structure is 12. These are the coordination numbers. So we are completing mainly 3 terms. First, number of atoms per unit cell is completed. After that, atomic radius in different structures are completed. Third one, coordination number in different structures are completed. One more and very important one is there. That is the fourth one. That is called as packing factor. Packing factor. Already this definition already we are giving. What is that? Packing factor is equal to total volume. Total volume occupied by the atom in a unit cell or unit cell. In a unit cell divided by total volume of the cell. Total volume of the unit cell, which is represented by small b divided by capital B. Small b divided by capital V. This definition also known as number of atoms per unit cell into volume of the one atom, which is also called as number of atoms per unit cell into volume of one atom divided by total volume of the unit cell. This is the basic definition. So this value is calculated for different structures. So first you are calculating packing factor of a simple cubic structure. Packing factor of a simple cubic structure. So each and everyone knows simple cubic structure is, it is the unit cell. So this is the unit cell. Every corner of the unit cell is occupied by one lattice point. So you are taking like this. Excuse me. Already we are drawn in this structure. This is the simple cubic structure. This simple cubic structure, the middle empty space is called as vacant space. Middle structure is called as vacant space. So in this structure, you know that first one, total number of atoms per unit cell is, total number of atoms per unit cell for simple cubic structure is only one structure. Already known, that is, how many corners are there? 8 corners. Every corner is occupied by 1/8 portion, that is called as 1. Nothing but. Second one, the atomic radius, already calculated. The atomic radius in simple cubic structure is small r is equal to a by 2. Small r is equal to a by 2. So, and next one, we are calculating volume of the atom. Volume of the atom in unit cell. With respect to number of atoms. So here one atom is there. Volume of the atom is in 4/3 pi into small r cube. Nothing but that value is, which is small v is equal to 1 into 4/3 pi into, in place of r I am writing a by 2 whole cube. So that is 4/3 pi a cube by 2 cube is nothing but 8. 4 in terms of 8, 2. So volume occupied by the atom in a unit cell is small v is equal to pi into a cube by 3 to 6. Next, volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell, capital V. This structure is cubic structure. Volume of the cube is length into breadth into height. Each and every sides are equal. A equal to B equal to C. Nothing but you can take as lattice constant A. A into A. Nothing but A cube. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. These two values are substituting in this packing fraction. You get the packing factor. That is, that value is packing factor is equal to small v by capital V. Small v value is pi a cube by 6 whole divided by a cube. Numerator a cube, denominator a cube get cancelled. You get we get packing factor of the simple cubic structure is pi by 6. You are calculating, pi value is 3.14. On calculating, you get 0.52. This is the packing factor value for simple cubic structure. Pi by 6, otherwise 0.52. So, what is the next quantity you can calculate it? Packing factor density. Packing factor density. Packing factor density is nothing but packing factor into 100. Nothing but we get 52%. The density of the packing factor is 52%. Out of 100% of the volume, only 52% of the volume is occupied by atoms. What is the remaining portion? That remaining portion is 100 minus 52. Remaining portion is 48%, which is empty space. Which is in empty space in the unit cell. Nothing but which is vacant. So 48% is vacant is existed. So the simple cubic structure is always be loosely packing. The simple cubic structure is always be loosely packing, which is the very weakest packing factor value. So this is the losing packing factor. This value is approximately 0.52. The packing factor density is 52. Remaining 48% is empty space is existed. So loosely packing of the structure is always be equal to simple cubic structure. That is called as packing factor of a simple cubic structure. In a similar fashion, you must calculate the face centered as well as body centered also. Okay, see this one. In a similar fashion, nothing but you can go through the step by step. First, you are calculating the number of lattice points per unit cell. After that, interrelation between atomic radius and lattice constant. After that, you can calculate the volume occupied by the atom in the unit cell. After calculating that, you can calculate the total volume of the unit cell. In every case, total volume of the unit cell, you are taking simple cubic, that is cubic structure, face centered cubic, that is also cubic structure, body centered, that is also cubic structure. So, total volume of the cell must and should be length into breadth into height, always be A equal to B equal to C. So, you are taking that value is equal to A cube. So, in entire tree structure, the total volume of the unit cell is A cube. Yet, what condition or changes? The condition is changes with respect to volume of the atom in the unit cell. Volume of the atom in the unit cell per cell. Nothing but per unit cell. So, according to unit cell, the simple cubic structure values A is equal to 2R. In a similar way, face centered cubic structure is also changes, body centered cubic structure is also changes. That value is substituted, the packing factor values also changes. Enter the simple cubic, face centered and body centered cubic structure. The weakest packing factor value is existed only in simple cubic structure. Okay? Learn it. Note down.